guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Dolphin J.
No, I'm not a dolphin, I'm a shark. I just didn't have a dolphin outfit. That was a great intro. Did you like the subtitles?
So what we're doing today is we're going to be talking through our dolphin
They know that because they watched the intro and it said that.
You don't speak dolphin.
I do speak dolphin.
I'm going to tell you, I feel a bit left out.
Why?
You keep getting dressed up. And
You did get dressed up. You've had that umbrella. You really like that umbrella.
I don't have anything, so I stole your glasses and another pair of your glasses and a couple of your hats.
Yes, you
Just
look
to try
good.
and fill in it.
Fill in it?
Can you like bring me a costume next time?
Yes. I've got one. Do you know what? Wait there.
A few moments later.
No
What
worries.
has this got to do with a dolphin and snorkeling?
Absolutely nothing. It just so happened that I just shoved a load of stuff into... Careful my glasses. They match your nice new shirt.
I want to let you know that this wig smells.
Yeah, no, it does smell.
Oh, it's horrible.
Yeah. Or most of my dress-up stuff smells.
I don't even know if I can do the video. I think I might pass out from
Take
the
it
smell.
off. We can take it off.
Oh my God.
There you go. Look at that.
I may need to go wash my hair. So anyway, dolphins and snorkeling, like all of our tours, this starts with you getting picked up at your hotel by one of our VIP vans. They're going to bring you straight here to the pier where you're going to meet your wonderful guide that won't dress like this. More like this, less like this.
Well, you do the guide bit.
And when you meet your wonderful guide like Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay. Thanks for coming to 5-Star Marine. Please help yourself to some donuts and some croissants, some fresh juice, some water.
Not the coffee though.
Don't have the coffee because the coffee's horrible.
And I strongly recommend do not try on the wigs.
No, the wigs are pretty smelly.
Yeah, no, they're horrible. So once you've met Jay, then you're going to come to our very famous map.
It's the map.
Jay, I have a pointer today.
Oh, look at this.
The map.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, I just wanted to do that.
That's
I've been
good.
holding this umbrella
I like that.
for an hour just to do that part.
I like that a lot.
Anyway, so you're going to come to the map and the guide's going to talk to you about your tour. Now, the best part about a private tour is that everything is customizable. So whatever we tell you today, you can change with your guide on the day. And we just want to give you an idea of what we would do if we booked this tour.
That's right. I wouldn't go dolphin spotting.
Yes. So firstly, just so I can see the map, I'm going to put Jay. Oh my gosh, Jay, you're blind.
Yes, tell me about it.
Oh my.
They're not that bad.
Yeah, no, I'll put them down here. I can't see. Oh my God, I'm getting a headache.
It's because you're young.
So once you're at
The map.
yeah, I can't see, honestly. You better put those on. I'm going to go back to these ones. Once you're at the map, your guide's going to talk to you about what's the day is going to look like. And with our dolphins and snorkeling tour, there are two major options as to how we run the tour. I'm going to give you option one, and then I'm going to give you option. There you go, Jay. So we're at Boat Lagoon.
Yes, we are.
Onto the boat, where you're going to get what on the boat, Jay?
You're going to get water and soft drinks. There's life jackets. There's a first aid kit. There's really comfy seats because we put extra padding in. There's a shaded area. Or there's an open front area.
And then on the boat, we're going to come out of Boat Lagoon. And option number one, we're going to go out to the Kai Islands to do snorkeling.
What?
Kai is how many islands, Jay?
3.
And they are called
Kai, and Kai.
Kai Nok, Kai Nai, and Kai
Nui.
All 3 islands are very good snorkeling. 2 of them have beaches. 1 of them does not. They all have beach bars on them as well.
Yes.
And restaurants.
Yes.
You've been there a few times, Jay.
Yes.
You're really helpful in this video.
I like Kai Islands. Can I say though, I wouldn't go there first. I know you've got 2 options, but I think if you want to go and see the dolphins down at Mai Ton.
This is the best part about a private tour is that you can change it from what we're telling you now.
No, but I'm just saying the dolphins are generally there in the morning or in the afternoon.
Yes, so normally somewhere between 9 and 11 and then after 3.
Yes. So I would say I would go there first rather than go at Kai Islands or maybe do Kai on the way back. I'm just saying.
No, I don't disagree. So we could go out from the pier and go to Mai Ton.
Yes.
Snorkel, swim, watch the dolphins.
Look for dolphins first.
Yes.
Okay, you go drive around, look for dolphins. You might, listen, you might not see the dolphins.
They're wild.
They are wild.
50-50 chance.
You never know. But if you do see the dolphins, they are amazing, they are beautiful.
Worst case scenario, we'll send Jay out there dressed like a shark.
That's right. And then you won't see any dolphins. But then you can either snorkel on the front side or the back side, because Mai Ton's got 2 good
here's
snorkeling
an image
spots.
of Jay dressed as a shark at Mai Ton. There you go. If you're going to go do that now, that would be hilarious. I can't wait to see that video. Thank you, Kyle. Anyway, so we've done our dolphins.
The worst thing is, what Sean's done there is he's made me go to Mai Ton dressed like this. The problem is we're really busy here at 5-Star and we don't have any boats left. So
You
I
can
don't
go
know how
Lisa
we're gonna-
1.
Oh, great. Oh, my God. Lisa 1. Do you know what? Lisa 1 down to Mai Ton. It's doable. It'll take me 4 days.
Anyway, we've done some dolphin watching, we've done some snorkeling, and there is some beautiful spiral coral
There is some-
here.
honestly, it's great
Anytime we
snorkeling.
talk about Mai Ton, we will always tell you the snorkeling is good, but the coral is amazing.
Yes, it is.
And there is also a coral restoration project there, so it keeps getting better all the time. So after you've done that, you might then go on to Kai.
Yes.
In this option, this being option number 1, or you can do it the reverse, go Kai and then onto my ton.
Depending on what time you get up, that's the key thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I think departure time and also what the condition of the day is. If it looks like it's going to be a little windy in the afternoon, then we might go to my ton first and then come back to Kai.
Yep.
But if it looks like it's going to be a little windy in the morning, we might go to Kai first and then come back to my ton in the afternoon.
Depends who had their beans. Did you have beans for
is
breakfast or beans for lunch?
What's this, Jay?
Yes.
That is the best part of a private tour. I'm really getting an angle out of this.
And can I also say, if you go to my ton first, you could then go down to Coral.
That's
maybe for
option
lunch.
2.
Oh, is that option 2?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So remember, there are 2 options. It's either Kai and my ton or Coral and my ton. Option number 1, Kai and my ton. Where's Kai again, Jay?
Kai's here.
My ton is
here.
Then back to the
pier.
There we go. That's option 1. Option 2,
my ton, Coral, pier.
There you go.
Or my option number 2.5, you could stop at Koh Rang on the way back to the pier.
Yes, so we can always add in Koh Rang, and at Koh Rang there's some great stuff you can do, and I'll hand you to Jay, who will give you a voiceover of that.
You can go see Brian the Goat, you can go on the jet ski, you can go on the ATV, and go to the bar, you can have some lunch, you can chill out on the beautiful tropical beach. It is an amazing island. I love it. In fact, I was there this morning, and can I tell them what happened?
You had an issue with a monkey.
Chase me, you wanted to be a part of my movie.
Anyway, so as I said, the dolphin and snorkeling tour is a combined tour where we will snorkel, we will go dolphin watching. You can have lunch on tour. There are many different options. If you do the Coral option, we recommend to go to Banana Beach for lunch.
Yes.
If you do the Kai option, we recommend to go to Pair COVID for lunch. But there are other options.
I was going to say, Kai actually has some nice restaurants and little kind of somtami places as well, which are very good.
Yeah, we'll take Lisa one go to Kai just to get the somtam.
Well,
that's how good it is.
When I get back from my ton, maybe.
Yeah. See you in a week.
Yeah.
Anyway, that is the basic outline, I suppose, of this dolphin and snorkeling tour. Who's it for, Jay? What is this tour for?
I think it's for everybody, to be fair. Yes. But young families, it's good for, especially.
Oh, you can do fishing on this tour if you like as well.
Oh, you just threw that one in there, didn't you?
You can add it on there.
You could add a bit of fishing.
No extra cost either. Fishing is free.
I actually think it's a good family tour. I've taken my kids. My kids were, at the time, they were, 10 and 7. They really enjoyed it. They really, really enjoyed it.
And Lucas does this tour pretty much every Sunday. He was just there, what's today? Tuesday? He was there.
Yes.
He was there on Sunday this week fishing. And come back with 30 odd fish.
I'll be honest with you. I've done this tour and I've been to my ton many times. I have seen the dolphins twice there.
Yeah, I've seen a lot more than that because I've done this tour a lot more than you.
Yeah,
we ran this tour all the way through COVID. It was one of the tours that we ran for all our local
I went
guests.
on it during COVID.
Yeah.
And I saw dolphins there.
Is there anything we missed?
That was a big
No, I'm just trying to think. Is there anything we missed?
There's probably loads of stuff we've missed.
No, it doesn't matter. Watch the other video about the dolphins and snorkeling.
That's right. Anyway, if you'd like to, thanks Sean for walking off. If you'd like to book, or if you've got any questions about the dolphin and the snorkeling tour, then just don't kill sharks. That's bad. You'll get taken to prison about that.
Sorry, Peter.
Oh, who's Peter?
Your friend.
Which Peter?
We did a whole video about your friends.
Not sure Peter likes me that much. Anyway, like and subscribe. Where's this video gone?
We're going to cut now to Jay on a boat heading to my ton.
I hate you. Because I really have to do that now. I haven't done that for a long time. All right. Hello, Jay here, dressed as a shark at My Ton Island. I came down here on Lisa 1. See, Sean? I did what you told me to do. Took me 40 minutes for this 20-second bit. Anyway, there you go. My Ton Island, Jay the Shark, dressed as a shark on Lisa 1.